أما بعد فأعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم من نفخه ونفثه وهمزه بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من المسلمين صدق الله العلي العظيم ونفعني وإياكم بالذكر الحكيم. Dear brothers and sisters in Islam, I've just recited before you a beautiful verse of the Quran. Take that as a reminder of the day. I would like to remind you with the book of Allah that Prophet Muhammad ﷺ left us with, and he told us that if you hang on to this, you will never be astray. So I want to remind you and myself with this beautiful reminder of the Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, who is better? Who can be better than that person who can be better than that person's saying who calls people to Allah, who calls people to Allah, and he does good deeds and says, I'm a Muslim. So if you want to be a best person in the eyes of Allah, if your speech should be the best of the best speeches, then call people to Allah, do the righteous deeds, and call yourself a Muslim. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will include you among the best, so much the best, that even your speech becomes good. So this